square nila, Noy. Talo ka na, boy! Talo ka na! Kanina pa ako! Si Arden eh, wala na. Dito siya galing eh.
Okay, doon muna. Doon. Walang sample. Walang practice. Go agad to. Ready!
Asan yung patugtog?
Get set! Go! Oh, next! Lahat, ilawan mo. Wait lang. Oh. Oh, there. Next! Lahat, dito pa. Sa kabila, dito. Best of 3. Best of 3. Dito ka nga lang. Pag alagala, itagailaw na.
Sinilala mo ng remote eh.
Mabigat siya, Ardi.
New Year! New Year! Happy! New Year! Happy! New Year! Happy! 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 New Year! Happy! New Year!
Wala ka pang kita, Dan. Wala ka pang kita.
Walang kita!
Lugi!
Walang panggas! Sinabi ko na happy eh.
Ano man yung uli?
Okay. Isang mo. Sabi mo si happy na okay na. New Year! Happy! Happy! New Year! Happy! New Year! Happy!
May oo!
Yang ga, excuse me.
New Year! Happy! New Year! Happy! 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 New Year! Happy! New Year! Happy! New Year! Happy! New Year! Happy! 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 New Year! Happy! New Year! Happy! New Year! Baliktarin natin. Ito na yung happy. Ito na yung happy. Dito na yung New Year na. New Year. Yan. Yan na yung New Year. Happy. New Year. New Year. New Year. New Year. New Year. Happy. New Year. Happy. New Year. Happy. New Year. Happy. Happy. Happy.
Tonight I'll show you what. Did you rather let a body? Hey, hey, hey. Got a body that is hurting itself tonight. I wanna show you how to find the things you like. I'm coming tonight. I'm coming for ya. I'm coming for ya. 'Cause I need is the beauty and the me.
Muna touch the color of white. Blue. Do not touch the color of red.
Lagi sa po, ano?
Blue. Pink. Ay, wala pa. Sorry na, color time. Do not touch the color of yellow. Blue. Green.
Si Ardy! Si Ardy!
Nako, tibay na magkakapatid. Do not touch the color of violet.
lumilipad.
Wait!
Siyangge, siyangge! Siyangge! Sabi niya, sinausaw ko lang naman eh. Sinausaw lang, bumalik ka mga agad. Sumausaw lang eh.
Violet. Red. Blue. Green. Violet. Yellow. Blue. Green. White. We will go.
Ulit.
Ano ba yan? Tatlo na lang kayo. Patay na kayo tatlo eh. Do not touch the color